As part of Fáilte Ireland's financial planning section on the Business Supports Hub, this short video will give you an understanding of the monthly cash flow statement and guide you through completing this. The cash flow statement identifies the movement of cash in and out of the cash account. It details the timing of payment of purchases, VAT, PAYE, PRSI, payroll, loan payments, leasing, and other elements. It also details the inflows of cash from sales, debtors, such as tour groups or corporate accounts, for example, bank loans, directors' loans, or other forms of cash into the business. It allows a business to forecast cash receipts and outgoing payments for the months ahead, and ultimately its ending cash position. This monthly cash flow statement is for 18 months, and once populated will highlight the seasonality of the business, showing which months have negative balances. Only orange cells in the template are to be populated, and all numbers being entered as a positive. The monthly cash flow statement starts with the opening month. Then enter the opening cash balance. Within the cash inflow section, enter all projected cash going into the business within the specific months. Some of these will be estimated or projected, for example, debtors. However, as much as possible, accurately project all of your inflows, as this will help you manage your cash flow. All cash inflows are entered as a positive number and are entered in these rows. Cash outflows include wages and salaries, all your creditors, revenue payments such as VAT or PRSI, or warehouse revenue payments, local authority rates, and all other outgoings of the business. Each of these are entered as a positive number through these rows. The net cash inflow or outflow from operating activities does not include the opening bank balance. The closing cash flow balance shown here is before debt service. We have included 3 inputs for debt service. 1. Enter your existing loan payments. 2. Any new facility or loan that you have secured which may have different payment terms to your existing facility. And 3. Any repayments of directors' loans. The adjusted cash flow balance, which includes all outgoings of the business, is shown here and is the starting position for the following month. All tools, templates, and guidance documents to support this video can be found on the Fáilte Ireland Business Supports Hub. Thank you for watching.